Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Checking out this spotting scope here. This features 25 to 75 zoom and some other nice little things here. So this has the ability to hook your phone up to that to view through that. Comes with that phone holder and then this nice little tripod here. That's pretty sweet. Little metal tripod there. And in the spotting scope, we have some instructions here. And then also a nice little cloth for like cleaning up. And then a bag here for the spotting scope. Nice shoulder strap. Has a thing for a belt loop if you want. Okay. Wow, that looks pretty nice. Got this like a non-slip like rubber kind of coating on here. Feels, I mean, really able to grip this, not going to fall. And we got our zoom here. There's our attachment for a screw right on there to mount. Nice little lens cover here, a rubber one. And also over here. I'm actually pretty excited to go kind of test this out and see how far we'll be able to see with this. And then you can adjust it with this and also right there. Okay, so I'm gonna try to attach my phone to this and see just how far we'll be able to see with this thing. So your phone will just go right on that. It'll grab it with this. This goes right on there like that. And then your phone camera is gonna look right through there and then hook onto here. So let's get that all set up and see what kind of distances we can see. Well, I'm kind of curious, like coupled with the 100 times zoom of my Android Samsung Galaxy with this thing, maybe we'll get some pretty crazy pictures. So let's find out here, shall we? And you can see right there and how far away it is. Not too far away, but look at the clarity there. This thing, as long as you can hold it steady, like I said, it's going to pretty much be able to see whatever. So okay, so right there is a dandelion. And then here it is on the camera. Okay, as we can see, there's the telephone pole over there. The tripod is super nice for getting it to adjust. Anyways, so I got a video here. Okay, friends, I have it set up on my little tripod. And this thing's super adjustable, so we can adjust this and up and down. And then that other screw over here, we can just rotate it. So the little tripod is super nice for getting it to adjust. Anyways, so I got a video here on my other phone, and that is that telephone pole right there. So you can see it's pretty crazy on the zoom here, my friends. Yeah, so it's zoomed in right there, and that's not even, I mean, it's crazy. I could zoom in even more, but it's just really hard to focus and keep it steady just because how far that is away there. But you can see that it's really good as far as being able to see there. But super impressed with this, my friends. If you can hold it steady, you can see it. So definitely recommend, if you are using this, to use a tripod, because at that range and focus, it's very difficult to hold it steady. Anyways, my friends, I hope this was helpful. This is super nice. I really like the grip on this thing. It looks cool. I kind of wish my truck was like in this kind of coating. It seems fairly durable. Well, my friends, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. And oh yeah, so this tripod also has nice little rubber legs on there as well, so it's not slipping, and it's super easy to adjust. And I was actually really impressed with this. It's holding my phone really well here, and I was able to focus in on which camera I wanted to use, because my thing's got like 5 of them, and just focus that in and then just attach it. And even though I have a giant case on here, it still held it nicely. So a really good attachment to hold your phone securely. Well, my friends, so this is only at 40 zoom with my telephoto lens, and then I can zoom this into 75 and then just barely correct it with this to clarify it. But this thing will, as long as you can hold it steady, you can see it. Thanks for watching, my friends. Have a great day.